welcome back to Self Soul Space. My name is Ashley and this is, hey, like my YouTube channel. I'm sharing my life and my journey with 4 kids, husband, and just trying to maintain sanity while living a healthy life. So with that, I thought I'd share with you one of our favorite family recipes. It's actually been a while since I've made it, kind of took it out of the rotation because we were eating it so much. And it is called, it's like one dish chicken and rice bake. Pretty easy. What do you need? Brown rice, cream of mushroom soup, chicken breasts, frozen broccoli, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Let me show you how we begin. Okay, so to start our recipe off, we're going to pour in, you need a glass baking dish and to preheat your oven to 375. You're going to take long grain brown rice. You need a cup of it. And you're just gonna put it into your glass baking dish. Yep, that's simple. And then what we are going to do is I've already opened up my cream of mushroom soup. I'm just gonna dump that in. Now I do prefer to use low sodium so that way I can kind of control the salt content. You can use regular, you can use any brand, you can use organic, you can use Campbell's. So then you're going to take the can and fill it up with water and then just add that in, much like you make soup based on the directions on the can. That off to the side. And you need something to kind of stir it up and just kind of mix it up. So I'm just going to let this sit, and while I let this sit, I'm making a huge mess, but that's okay. I am going to slice up my chicken breast. Because I have whole chicken breast. You can buy the chicken strips if that makes it a little easier. But I'm just going to slice them up because I want whole chicken breast. And then we're going to lay it on top with the broccoli. Okay, so my chicken's all cut up. I'm going to put it off to the side just for a split second because I want to add the frozen broccoli into our kind of soup and rice mix. Some scissors. You need a cup and a half. You can do 2 cups. If your family likes broccoli, you can load it up. Sometimes you get the big chunks in there. That's okay. So I'm going to do a little bit more than 2 cups just because we like broccoli. And I'm going to put a little twisty tie on this. Now let's add our seasonings before we top with the chicken. Okay. Salt, you can pinch, you can use measuring. I'm just going to eyeball salt. Pepper. Okay, so we've added salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of paprika. All right. So now that those are done, we're going to stir this up. It's hard to see, you guys can't see the pretty color. And then we're going to lay the chicken strips right on top. You can move diagonally, you can move straight up and down. Your choice. You could spell out something if you wanted to. And then we're gonna get this bad boy in the oven. Okay, hands are all clean. Before I put it in the oven, I'm gonna sprinkle the top of the chicken just with a tiny bit more salt, pepper, and paprika. Just to give the chicken a little bit of flavor, because as we know, chicken breasts by themselves are pretty bland. Maybe want to hear a little extra. Okay, this is going into the oven. I'm covered. About 45 minutes. Okay, so it's finally ready. And depending on what kind of rice you use, it's either 45 minutes to about 60 minutes realistically. Take it right out, bring it right over here to show you what it looks like. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So, all right, ready to get this served in. Let's eat some dinner. Okay, let's eat.